Ask your mom. Off duty.
She different, I can see it in her eyes. Get into the money, she been focused on the grind. Like a diamond, only gonna shine bright. She keep on living her life.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to It's your girl Theonlywayda, and I'm back at it again with another video. So I'm gonna be, well, I have to be like a bit more quiet. So it's 3:23 a.m. and I don't know, I can't sleep, so I'm up, and I just had the spontaneous idea to bake. So today we're gonna be baking cookies. It's my first time ever making cookies. Never made cookies before, but we're gonna be making sugar cookies. I don't even eat cookies, and I should probably go to my bed, but I can't sleep. Let me even show you guys the time. So 3:24 a.m. So today I have the nighttime zoomies. If you guys saw my legs, I would have been very embarrassed because it was not giving. But so yeah, we're here. We're here sipping on tea. And we're gonna make cookies. So according to the bag, all you need is your cookie flour. You need a half a cup of butter, 1 egg, and that's it. So let's get the bowl. We have our favorite, our famous orange bowl. Our famous orange bowl. Hopefully I don't make a mess, but open this, pour it in there. Yep. Oh my goodness. There's no smell to this. This is even looking bad. I'm gonna go find some sprinkles. I'm gonna add sprinkles in. I found this like baking tray at the top of what is this called? The fridge. So let's see if we can find it. Okay, there's no sprinkles in this. Alright. I'm pissed. So I can't find no sprinkles, but I know there's sprinkles for summer, but anyway, I don't have time. Ow! Let me go back and wash my hands. Alright. Guys, I'm on like my last brain cell. I don't even know why I'm doing this, but anyway, back to my baking show. Did I show you the flour in the bowl? This is flour in the bowl. Now you're gonna get your half a cup, okay? Half a cup. And you're gonna scoop this. I almost swore. You're gonna scoop. Okay, get a spoon and just scoop the butter in until it's half a cup. Okay. Woo. Now I got my half cup of butter. Not butter. Now I got my half a cup of butter, so we're gonna pour the half cup of butter in. This is a half a cup, right? Half a cup of butter, yeah. Wait, are you supposed to melt it? Oh my gosh. Oh, softened, not melted. Maybe I should take that out. So you're gonna take back out your butter. You're gonna soften it, okay? Just just, yeah, like mix it up. Mix it up until it's soft. All right, so I think my butter is a good consistency. So I dropped most of it in there, and I'm just trying to get the rest because you can't waste anything, and I can't really knock anything. So let me figure out a quieter way to do this, and I'll be back again. Okay, now for the next step, you need 1 egg. I'm gonna go get it. 1 egg. I don't want to crack it. Crack your egg. Oh, I hope there's no shells in there. Oh well, YOLO. So I assume you just mix it up. I don't know how you mix it up, but I'm gonna add some vanilla and a bit of cinnamon. Oh my gosh, guys, I can't talk. So I'm gonna add vanilla and a bit of cinnamon, and mix it up. And then when I'm done mixing it up, we'll see the consistency. Guys, so I found the cinnamon, and you guys remember the cinnamon challenge a long time ago? I remember my Malik and Kira made me try it, and I think I should do a little bit. I'm gonna try a little bit. I even think that's too much. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna eat a little bit. Okay. Do that. Don't try this at home. All right, guys, so my intrusive thoughts, one right there, even though it was a little bit, my intrusive thoughts one, like it tasted good at first, but then I'm like, I'm not choking, and then it dissolved a little bit more, and it was too much nasty. Don't do that at home, okay? But I really had to. You know, sometimes when you see something, you're just like, yeah, I had to. Anyway, let me go back to adding the cinnamon and stuff, and I'll be back. Now, this is how the cookie batter is currently looking. Oh my gosh, look. You guys remember from the kid like cooking show with like Gordon Ramsay? He's like, oh, I need to go to my bed. Hopefully I can find the meme so I can add it. Anyway, I don't think there's enough like egg. Like, is this how batter's supposed to look? I've never made cookies before. Oh, I never made cookies before. Maybe I should get a fork. I'm trying to remember from hospitality. Did they make cookies with a fork? But then I'm gonna get a glove, so I can just use my hands. Okay, so I got a glove, and look, my cookie dough is cookie doughing. Oh my gosh. This is why you don't bake at home. 3, 4, you do. Hey, Daddy.
What are you doing?
I'm baking. Just baking some cookies. I'm putting my dough here. Do we have how am I supposed to play baker if I don't have the baking material? So what I'm gonna do is wait, when you guys make cookies, do you guys just roll them in balls? I make a makeshift cookie cutter? Because I ain't got that shit either. I'm gonna try it this way first. Clean cup and press down. Ooh, that's a cookie. Do you make them like this? Or do you roll them up and make them like this? I don't know what I'm gonna do, guys. There's no video. Well, there was a video, but I wonder if I just wanna. I'll be back. Okay, guys. So I decided I'm just gonna do both and see which one comes out better. But since I don't like touching the dough that much with my hands, maybe I'll do this. So one with circle and one with my fake cookie cutter. Okay, guys, so I have one of the first cookies done. Not even know if that meant good, but here's the cookie. I feel like I cooked it way too much on the perimeter over here, but on the thing it says cook till thing, so I'm gonna break it in half. Oh, okay. These cookies are sweet. This needs some water. Sweet but good. If you know me, I don't even like cookies, but these are really sweet. And I never added any more sugar. It could be a little bit of vanilla that I added, but these are actually pretty good. I'm impressed with myself. Okay, guys, so let me show you the other ones. So these are some of the other first batch. They're still cooking or baking. They're still baking. I don't even like cookies. I don't even know why I'm doing this, but so tomorrow I'm gonna have one of my friends, Kino, the guy who made my intro. You guys are finally gonna meet him tomorrow. So that's the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on the post notifications so next time that I post, make sure you tune in for part 2 because he's coming to try the cookies, but I'm gonna prank him. Duh. So make sure you guys are tuned in and watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Adios.